In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem of Chrome full screen not working. First, try this simple method. Move your mouse cursor to the top bar of the browser window and double-click on it. This action should maximize Google Chrome to full screen. If that didn't work, here's another option. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding it down, right-click on the Chrome icon in your taskbar. A menu will pop up. Click on Maximize. This will also bring your browser into full screen mode. If you are still having trouble, let's try using a keyboard shortcut. Simply press the F11 key on your keyboard. This universal command toggles full screen mode in many applications, including Google Chrome. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.